Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking watch. It is the Apple Watch Series 6 lookalike. Yes, this is the clone. Again, this is beautiful. It is modeled FK88, which is very near to the actual Series 6. But I want to mention that this is not Apple. So you will find this in fraction of the price of what Apple sell these to you. So in today's video, we will show you exactly how good this is. I want to mention this is done by a company called MGet, and they are phenomenal when it comes to these type of products. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. You can see that the box is very similar to the actual watch, and once we open it, there is another little box in it. Alright, so as you can see it right now, this is how the box looks. And if you go around, doesn't have much markings here, but once you go on the other side of it, it actually names it Series 6. It also says space aluminum case, and it is 44 millimeter. So let's just go around. There's nothing here, but once you go on the bottom, it also have some markings that say smartwatch, band, charger cable, all the stuff that is included inside of it. And it says battery life, charge cycles, and where it is made. So let's just go through and open it. So it's like this. Here you go. This is how it really looks. So we will take the user manual out and we will cover everything one by one. It looks like it came with two bands. And here are all the components that are part of this box. So it comes with this user manual that will show you everything you need to know, even with the actual app that you need to get for your phone. And it goes down to dials, how you can play with it, and go next. There are more settings over here, but it is written really small print. And you go on down, it talks about how you can put it on sleep mode, your heart rate. We will try to capture most of these, sport, workout, and more. It's all over here. Now, when you go down, it talks about the functionality. Now, that's not the only thing. If you flip the other side, it is all in a different language, which is, I do not know if it is Cantonese or Mandarin, but it is all over here that you're really looking for. Now, it also comes with this nice band. It is made out of Velcro, so you can connect it. And this is the part, these two parts are the one that will connect into the actual watch in order for it to make it work. And then this part will be just the one that will go around your hand and you can connect it. Now, as much as I know, the actual real Series 6 watches does not have this type of a hookup for a charge. Now, there are two little prongs right here, two little pogo pins look alike, so you can push it up and down, and this way how your watch will be charged. With the Series 6 from Apple, this is not something you get. It is nicely done with a wireless charger. You just hook up, and it doesn't matter which way you hook it up, it just starts charging it. But you can see this is USB 2.0, and it is not that long for this, so you can charge your watch. It also comes with this band. Now you gotta slide it out to take it out, and this is how it looks. So when you get an Apple Watch, they always come with this type of band, which is really cool. So you just have to connect it in order for it to be now connected to your hand, and these two parts will be the one that you have to slide in to the actual watch in order for it to be connected. Now here is the actual watch. You can see it's wrapped really nicely, and the size is correct, so it does match the Series 6 watches. And we will just open it, and here you go. This is how it really looks. Now if you want to go around, you have the button there properly, your little mic is there too. This is the button, so you can see it is really nicely designed. you have the winding on the top. It does make noise. And then go on the top is where you're going to put your band, so you can just slide it in. And then going on the other side, you have a little part for a speaker. Going on the bottom again, you have the part so you can put your band, and then that's it. So when you go to the bottom part, this part is a little bit different. So I know that on Series 6, this part is really designed differently, so it doesn't look like this at all, but this is really cool. So this way, how you will be able to see your heartbeat and everything. This is what you can see, the little bump to it. This is how you will be able to detect everything. Well, here's the little part for charger, so this way it will charge it for you. And that's about it. So let's go through and try to see if there's any charge. So we can turn it on. You hold the power and it makes a little noise and it comes on. You can see it is a little bit dim right now, but this is how it really looks. And there is a little pause to each of the animation. That I don't understand why. Now the watch that we received, it has the nice blue color around it. And also same with the band, it is all blue. So that makes it pretty nice in just one tone, which is really cool. For charging, as soon as you get near to it, it clicks and it just starts charging. Some really cool features are that you can change your watch faces very easily. So you just have to hold it for a few seconds. And there you go. And now you can go through it and you can select different faces that they have. And also there is a little part in the app that you can change the faces to. This is something that I have customized. We will show you in a few seconds. But let's just go through and see what else they have on this. There are quite a few in this. So it's not that you are just locked to just a few of them. There are many on this that you will be able to play with and set up. So let's just select this one and then press OK. And this is how you will be able to switch and change your face or watch face on the actual watch. Now another thing that I really like about this is that it has some functions. Now if you go from the top down, you will get one function. There you go. So you will be able to see Find My Device, also display, and this is how you're going to be able to make it very bright or not that bright. Also, you have some information under About. There you go. You can see it right now. And also, if you go from the bottom top to the top, you will be able to see more functions here. The one that I really like is the actual flashlight. There you go. So this is going to be the flashlight, how it really looks. But once you press home, it will go back. Another thing that I like is that you can change your face or watch face by just this dial. You can see that. So it is pretty cool that you can change it very easily, so you're not going to be stuck to one face all the time. And you can see that they brought in all of the watch faces on this watch itself, which is really cool. So you can also press it, it will take you to a dialer, and then you can press and it's very loud. You can hear it and you can dial. As long as you are set up on a phone, you will be able to dial a call out, and also you can receive call from this very easily. These are the best parts about this actual watch. Now if we go back from the top down and we slide, there's more functions that you will be able to see. Even you can turn on the actual watch directly from this, or even reset it. You can change your language from this too. Now if I have to go from the bottom up and I'm trying to flip, there's no more settings. It's just the same watch. Now let's go through and show you what else is part of this. So if I have to flip, you will be able to see all of your daily routine, just like an actual Apple Watch. And also if you go back, and also shows your heartbeat, and you can check that. You can also play music, whatever you have on your phone, it all going to be here. So let's go through the app and show you how that is functioning. So the app itself also have some really cool features. You can see directly from the screen that you have when it's connected, it's called FK88, and also when it's connected it says how much percentage of charge it has, and yes, when you tap it, it will go away. So it also tells you that what version of the software it's using. When you go down, it talks about the rise to wake up, so you can turn that off. So when you flip your hand, it doesn't wake up, but when you turn it on, it does. Also, it says to show you the select watch type. You can click on it, and this is where you will be able to select a different screen, or you can make your own. You can click on it and then you can take a picture, or you can select a phone picture directly from your folder on your phone, and also you can change it. You can also select a different pointer, doesn't matter if it is pointer or a digital. You can see that it changes very easily, so we will leave it on the pointer right now. And also the style, which style you like. So if it is going to be changed, you see that the color just changes, and also you go into different ones. So this way at least you have more options than one if you want to customize it. The one that I really like is the first one, so I will leave it to that. And then you can click sure, and it will take a couple of seconds to switch it. Except that you can select one of the other dials, and it's very easy. And these are the only ones that shows. But on the phone, you have more options that I have already shown you. Now going back, you also have the alarm clock. You can click on it, and you can set up an alarm for different time, and it will do the job for you accurately. The watch itself is very loud, so don't worry when you're hooking it up. I want to let you know that it will wake you up. Another part is the secondary reminder. You can set it up. Sometimes you want to go to snooze. This will really help you out. Another part is the sleep settings, so this way you can set it up that what time to what time. It should not bother you. And also your goals. You can set up on how many steps you want to take, and this will give you the accurate information. Now going down talks about language settings. You can change your languages, or you can add more, and this way it will help you out with your own language, which makes it a lot easy for you. Another find is find my device. If you ever miss it, just like right now I'm holding it right here, and if I have to press, there you go. That's how easy it is to find your device, so this way you will never miss it. And if you ever misplaced it, it's very easy to find. Another part is it says daily. This is the main screen. As soon as you go in, it will tell you how many steps you've taken, and also if you want to go to heartbeat, it will tell you how much of a heartbeat you are right now. So the maximum for mine is 82, and the minimum was 59, which is very low. But again, you can see that I only use it for a few hours. I'm going to use it a lot more now since I have this, and I'm going to check to see exactly how much it will be accurate. You can also go under me, and this part is you can customize everything to see exactly how it will be for you. If you have more than one person going to use this watch too, you can set it up so it will give them a different number than yours. So I have set up under mine, and then notification is also there too. You can set it up that what type of notifications you want to receive on that watch. And also there is map settings, so this way if you want to go for a walk, this way it will use your map settings. So I am using Google Maps and not auto nav, and this way I will get out. And if there is any update available for the actual software, this is where you come and you can click on it, and it will check for you if there's anything available. I know this software is 1.08, and there is the MAC address for this watch, which I'm going to just blur out. But let's just get out of it, and if we go to device itself, this one is running on 1.1.6, so there's no other really updates available for the actual watch, but for the software it's a little bit more up to date, which will help you guys out. So this is something that I really like playing. Now all the links will be available in the bottom of this video where you can order this from, and also if you need more help, you can ask directly from the official website. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.